Hello everybody, I would like to show you how to use Railway Curve application. It is an application for the iPhone and iPad. It is available on the App Store. It's dedicated to railway engineers and anybody who is interested in some railway calculations. As far as I know, it is the first railway engineering application on the App Store, and for the time being, probably the only one. So, let's get it started. We have three tabs: curve calculator, gauge settings, and local standards. We should choose what gauge we want to use. It can be Russian or Indian, Irish, whatever. Let's assume that we want to use standard gauge. And let's check our local standards. They are set up for default, but if we believe that our local standards say something different, we should change here. For example, absolute deficiency will not be 110 but 100, and we accept it, and that's it. If we are not sure what these abbreviations mean, we can check them here. There are some definitions as well as some other options. I will not go into them at the moment. There are also some information about gauges. If we are not sure which one we should use, we can check it here. And let's go to Curve Calculator tab. That's the main tab of the app. We should put speed, radius, cant, and transition. We need to decide on these values. If we are not sure what are they, we can check, and in return we will get some result. But let's put a different radius. For example, 900 meters. Let's accept it, and we have our calculations shown. There are many of these parameters shown here. If we are not sure what they mean, we have all of definitions. And let's put a smaller radius. If some of the local values from local standards are exceeded, then the values will be shown in red and in orange as well if desirable values were exceeded but not the absolute maximum values. We can use negative cant as well. It may be useful on turnouts where the turnout route is bended into an opposite direction, and cant will be negative this way. What else can we have here? We can have some reports by swiping left, right, up or down. Let's swipe right. We're getting a report, cant report, for every meter. If we swipe left, we will get very interesting information about the relation between cant and speed, and we can notice that the maximum speed doesn't have to be for the maximum cant. This will be better shown if I choose different length, different radius. Yes, the maximum speed should be for cant 130. If we swipe down, we will get information about arima lengths so it's according to American standards. If we swipe from down to up, we'll get information about degree of curve in relation to radius, some formulas, definition, and a table that converts radius into degree of curve. We also have some more options here. We can email calculations to anybody with our data, with our calculations, and with settings that we used. We can recommend the app to our friends, we can send feedback, we can go to app manual. We also have some options in other tabs, like recalculating equilibrium constant, restore default gravity, or restore all default parameters. If we messed up with something, we always can go back to previous settings. We can also synchronize some values. It is not very widely known that, for example, cant deficiency and unbalanced centrifugal acceleration, they are in direct correlation, so we can synchronize these values and some other parameters like jerk and rate of cant deficiency and twist and cant gradient. So let's go to App Store, check it out, and I hope you find this application useful in your work and maybe in your hobby. Thank you for watching. Bye.